Tension as judges were denied entrance into the court as notice not to open the court until Nnamdi Kanu arrives the court for his hearing. Different things are just happening today. The IPOP leader Nnamdi Kanu ought to be in court today for his hearing. A hearing has been scheduled for him today, being 14th of November, and this has been revealed or made possible because of Buhari's refusal. Buhari's refusal to let the IPOP leader go is what has warranted this hearing. If not, nothing of this such will be happening. Well, there is a little tension anyway, and the tension is that the judges who actually arrived at court before the IPOP leader were denied entrance, which has never been so. Why? Claiming that the presence of Nnamdi Kanu need to be that Nnamdi Kanu's presence is actually needed before any of the gates in that appeal court is ordered to be opened. They said they are actually having some suspiciousness of something evil planted by the IPOP members. Okay, let's quickly see what they actually meant by this that have just been reviewed. Okay, this is morning news. The federal government will, on Monday, November 14th, resume the trial of the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOP, which is supposed to hold today. The trial, which will center only on the 7 out of 15 count charges sustained against Kanu by Justice Binta Nyako of the Federal High Court in Abuja. Arriving at the court at the judges, it was a shocker as they were denied entrance until Nnamdi Kanu arrives. A member of Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer, Mr. Ifeanyi Ejiofor, who happens to be one of the lawyers, was so shocked at this notice. One of the security who spoke have said that it was as a result of an observation. One IPOP member was discovered inside the courts, and so it was giving us an understanding that something evil has been planted inside. So we believe that it will augur well if there will be an equal march into the court until Nnamdi Kanu arrives. This suspiciousness has attracted crowd as no one was allowed inside the court while waiting patiently for Nnamdi Kanu to arrive. Hey, now Sabi. You see, my people, a lot of things are going to happen today. A lot of people will be feeling very suspicious. A lot of people will be feeling remorse, and a lot of people will be saying a lot of nonsense. Well, how do you know that that very person that was discovered inside the court is Nnamdi Kanu, is an IPOP member? How do you know? Who said so? Who told you that? That is the problem. You see, we are just, fabricating stories. The one that matter and the one that doesn't matter, we fabricate them. We fabricate them. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't, and it doesn't pass any single message. Yeah? We are the ones causing this tension each time Nnamdi Kanu is to appear in court. We are the one. It's just like I told someone sometime today, yesterday, where I went to get some fuel for today's broadcast, and the person was, instead of the person to maintain the queue, he took his own gallon to the front where he was now attended to. So who are those people? So those people who are queuing are now foolish people. It's not so. That's what I'm trying to say. The corruption starts from us. It starts from us before we get to the top. So that is the tension we are actually afraid of. All right, my people, you've heard this and you've seen this. All right.